is just a quick video to highlight the 20 valve coolant system that you need to build if you're going to swap a 20 valve engine into your Toyota MR2. So the engine's out, I just pulled it, and now I have the coolant system still in place, everything's still here, so I'm just going to run through sort of the things you need to buy, the things you need to modify. All the coolant lines come out right here, and we have the two heater hoses. You're going to need to buy new hoses. They're going to need to be quite long because they need to go to this side of the engine head. So I just bought some blue silicone hoses, nice and flexible. We then have one coolant line coming out right here, and for that I bought a 90-degree turn silicone hose and then this sort of semi-flexible black tube here. This is a hose I bought on eBay. It's a semi-flexible adjustable tube. And the final hose is this one right here. So I kept the stock OEM 90-degree. This is a temperature gauge for my temperature, my temperature sensor for my temperature gauge. I have another 90-degree turn. I have a aluminum pipe here going up to another 90-degree turn. I have the stock filler. You want this to be at the highest point in the system, so you want to make it nice and high. I then have another flexible tube, and finally ending up with a final 90-degree turn going to the engine head. So in total I had to buy 4 90-degree turns, about say 2 feet flexible hose here and 2.5 feet there, so say 6 feet total, 2 meters of the flexible tube, and the heater hoses look to be about 1 meter long each, so about 2 meters of heater hose, and then a whole bunch of clamps to clamp everything down. But this is sort of the coolant system outlay that I used. It worked great. I had some trouble trying to design the system and look at pictures online because it's really hard to see down here, so I wanted to make this video just to show what exactly you need to do to modify your system for a 20 valve. So good luck and have fun.